Hi
Hi
guys!
guys!
So welcome to a new vlog. Right now we're at a fabulous place. This is in Laikipia County, very near to Garidare Forest, and this is going to be our first ever glamping experience. Really excited.
Yeah, really excited. And this place is called Saiku Glamping Site. It's beautiful here, surrounded with small hills, and this place extends up to like 33 acres. It's a huge property. So we will give you a tour around. So come with us. So first we'll check in and then we'll give you a property tour. So we got our tent. This is tent number 2. Looks nice. So we have been to so many different tents before, but this one is really unique. And what we like the most about this tent is that it has thatched roof and the opening is pretty narrow. So let's go in and see what's there. So yeah, Riju, you please mind your head while coming in here.
And what I love the most is this view from the tent.
Chilly outside.
Just look at this. The sun is about to set, so we'll probably watch the sunset.
So there are 4 tents in total, and each and every tent has individual toilets. So let's go and see the toilet. So this is our washroom, 100% organic.
By organic, what do you mean?
By organic, I mean there is no flush.
There is this,
It is a decomposed pit.
which is 15 feet deep. Okay.
Okay. I have to process it.
And there is a scarcity of water. They have put hot water here. We'll probably take a shower in some time.
And they don't have any faucet here, just a basin. They have provided us a jar of water and a bottle of water.
That's it.
That's it. That's all about it. So now let's go out of the bathroom and explore the place.
So right in front of the tent, you have a swing bed and looks like a perfect chill out area. Not bad.
So the sun is marking the end of the day, leaving us with a beautiful space for sundowners.
So the evening looks to be pretty chilly and I'm all set, guys, as you can see. But this place is mind-blowing. This sundowner place is easily our favorite place in Saiku camp.
As of now.
As of now, at least. It looks lush green this side. But what I love, first of all, the day is perfect today because the sun is setting down there and you have this perfect view of the mountains. I have never seen in entire Kenya time in last 3 years such a clear sky. It looks awesome, guys. Wow. This is beautiful, right?
Absolutely. This place is amazing. So our bonfire is finally lit and Riju seems excited for something.
Yeah, excited for the barbecue.
Yeah, I knew it will be
And
excited
it's
for
cold.
this.
This place is awesome.
Should we open a bottle of wine?
Yeah, I think that's
a
coming
great
soon.
idea, right?
So, Pujay, you're on your PJs finally.
Yeah, I'm feeling cozy right now and this fire is really helping. Riju, get some wine.
Yeah, soon. So let's start the evening with this.
Yay!
So good morning. Slept really late after drinking too much, I think. So we're now going for the breakfast. This place we haven't shown you guys yet. So we'll just turn around the camera and see how beautiful it is. So this is the place for the breakfast. So you have a lovely couch here, some sitting arrangements here, and there is a hanging bed there. So let's see what Pooja is making. Good morning, Pooja.
Good morning.
Pooja seems to be all dressed up early morning.
I'm feeling fresh.
So you want to introduce this place?
This is our big fat kitchen and a dining area. So come on, I'll give you a tour. This place is pretty massive in terms of kitchen and a dining area. Like this is really big. One dining table here, bookshelf, cutlery shelf. So this sitting area is really our favorite now with the fireplace. Last night we had so much of fun. Okay. And this is the kitchen. A big kitchen, like our bedroom. We have made it a mess. This is a cooktop. And this is our dining area.
Wow, I just love this place. How
Also,
rustic.
you have a fireplace here.
Okay, now I need some food.
You need food? Come on, help me in the kitchen.
So Pooja, you are making some tea?
Yes, some tea.
And here comes our chai. Pooja has already taken her corner. It's a beautiful morning. So Pooja, we already had our tea. Now what's there for breakfast? I'm a bit hungry.
Let me finish my tea first. Let me relish it. And then I'll again move back to kitchen and I'll decide what I'll make. Have patience.
Okay.
Patience, patience.
So finally our breakfast is in process. So
You need one more?
yeah.
That's nice.
So what a beautiful place for breakfast, and I made some yum breakfast. Awesome.
There is nothing yum about it. It's just bread and omelette. I mean, sunny side up.
But it's good. So that's it guys from Seiko Glamping. We had an amazing time here. We'll be checking out in the next couple of hours. So it's a highly recommended place in Kenya if you are looking for a glamping experience.
For sure. You'll love it.
Yeah.
We loved it.
So we'll be coming up with new videos. To check out those, what you need to do?
Subscribe to our channel guys and hit that notification bell, ting ting ting, so whenever we post new videos you get notified.
For now, bye from Seiko Glamping.
And thanks for watching.